In this video, we are going over Pandas, the open-source data manipulation and analysis library for the Python programming language. Pandas provide robust tools for working with structured data, such as spreadsheets, SQL tables, and relational databases. It's basically like Excel, but much more scalable and flexible. Pandas offer various functions and methods for reading and writing data to and from various file formats, such as CSV, Excel, SQL databases, and JSON. It also provides powerful data cleaning and transformation capabilities, including merging, filtering, grouping, and reshaping data. Pandas offers easy visualization of data using Matplotlib, a popular data visualization library for Python. Pandas is widely used in data analysis and data science workflows and is an essential tool for anyone working with data in Python. You can install Pandas via pip, the Python package manager, like this. We will be providing you with a series of videos to cover the functionalities of Pandas. These videos will then take you on a journey, making you a zero to a hero in Pandas. We will release weekly tutorial videos covering various Pandas topics, including Pandas data structures, basic functionality of Pandas, how to index and select data, multi-indexing, advanced indexing, how to merge, join, concatenate, and reshape data, working with categorical and time series data, chart visualization, and many more step-by-step topics. Therefore, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the valuable content. Take care and stay safe. Goodbye.